Cessna Citation SII is a lightweight corporate jet that's been soaring since the 1980s. While this particular aircraft has reached the end of its flying days, we're going to get lots of goodies from this aircraft. Everything from the Pratt & Whitney JT150D engines to the smallest fittings will be researched, carefully removed, and given a new life. At BAS Part Sales, our teardown process ensures that quality components from aircraft like the S550 continue to keep Citations flying safely all over the world. This Cessna may have retired from the sky, but its legacy lives through the aircraft that its parts will help power.